Welcome. This is the unboxing of the Mesa Tactical magazine clamp for the Mossberg 930 or 930spx. I'll be mounting this on a 930spx version. My purpose for this item is to actually mount a center mass laser onto the side of the gun. So let's go ahead and unbox this. What we have here, we have the Mesa Tactical sticker. Kind of a little introductory card on what the barrel clamps and the magazine clamps are. We have a left side and a right side of the clamp, as well as the Picatinny mount that will mount to one of those sides for the laser or tactical light, whichever you would choose to mount it, and a number of it's like Allen screws, Allen wrenches for the installation. So we'll go ahead and get that installed. Go ahead and give you a little bit of the purpose here on what we were looking to achieve with the mount for the center mass laser. This is the 930spx. As you can see, I already have a Mesa Tactical grip and stock on here. I took off the original Trigicon MRO mounted on here. This is the 12 gauge version. I'm not sure if they make a different caliber for this, but this is what I was looking to put on here. You see here I have a laser that's mounted on here, but this is a GG&G mount, little Picatinny that actually mounts to the magazine tube behind it. But the problem with it is, you look here when you turn on the laser, it actually moves, and that's not a little bit difficult to make sure that it stays at zeroed accuracy on it, but you can see it's got a nice center mass pattern on it. But the problem is, you can see here it's perfectly still, and if I push on it, yeah, not really what I want. So we'll go ahead and get that other one mounted on here, and then we'll see how it looks and how well it stays centered, doesn't move. Thanks. As we can clearly see, the shotgun is unloaded. I have my breech plug in there. No rounds. Verified it was unloaded. I actually just cleaned this not too long before. So one side of the mount here actually looks like it has a quick detach for a sling in there. I believe both versions of the magazine and the barrel clamp both come with that. One probably good item to note is that it may end up scratching the barrel. So just be careful, you know, when you obviously put these on. So, but it does have a nice fit. You can tell just by sitting one half in there, nice and smooth transition there. And if we go ahead and hold the other side up to it, there's a very nice fit, as you can see there. Go ahead and clamp that down, and then we'll get the Picatinny rail on. Actually will look quite nice, I believe. So it's nice and tight on there. I didn't over tighten it, so hopefully don't have any marring to the barrel tube or anything like that. So the base mount fixed pretty good. Then we'll just pick a right or left side to mount that, and then this laser will just mount pretty much right on there. So has some nice clearance there. It'll mount out a little bit just because of the Picatinny adapter. And there's the mount on the gun. Actually looks doesn't look too bad. It's nice and straight. It doesn't move. It is rock solid. So I'm not going to have any creep like I had on the other version. Actually looks very nice. I'm actually very happy with that mount. I guess this 930spx is a little hard to find any mounting items for, but the Mesa Tactical is a very good mount. As we can see, that mounting turned out really nice and clean on the gun. Still leaves room for a QD quick attach sling mount there, although it is on the wrong side. I'd have to mount the laser to the other side, as I'm right-handed. You see that actually looks very good and clean. Yeah. I do like the fact how the center mass laser gets larger the further it goes away, so it'll simulate the actual pattern spread from the buckshot or birdshot or whatever you're using. So, all right, hope you enjoyed that. Again, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.